Welcome to Crystal Lake Condominium, an exclusive boutique community of just 18 semi-custom luxury residences designed for style, convenience, and modern elegance. Experience the freedom of low-maintenance luxury living just steps from the vibrant downtown center of Lake Mary. Enjoy being minutes from your favorite restaurants, local businesses, and boutique shops along 4th Street and Lakeview Avenue. Spend your weekends at the Farmers Market at Central Park at City Hall, or enjoy the new playground at 2nd and Crystal Lake Gardens, pickleball on Country Club Road, the community center, and the SunRail Station. This is where small-town charm meets modern convenience, recognized as one of Money Magazine's best places to live. Crystal Lake Condominium is thoughtfully developed across 4 phases, creating a private, boutique community feel. Groundbreaking is scheduled for spring 2026, with all buildings expected to be completed by December 2027. Building 1 is located on the corner of 4th Street and West Wilbur Avenue. Buyers can choose from 2 upstairs 2-bedroom homes with balcony views, or 2 downstairs 2-bedroom homes, or the corner 3-bedroom home. The estimated completion date is around December 2026. Buildings 2 and 3 each feature 4 3-bedroom homes, with completion projected to be around summer 2027. Building 4, 2 upstairs 2-bedroom homes with balcony views, or 2 downstairs 2-bedroom homes, or the corner 3-bedroom home. The estimated completion date is around December 2027. New homeowners choose between 2 thoughtfully designed floor plans. There is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom model just over 1,100 square feet priced at $399,999. And the 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom model is just under 1,400 square feet, priced at $449,999. Each residence includes elevated design features such as floor-to-ceiling kitchen cabinets, elegant trim and architectural details, statement lighting, French hoods, farmhouse sinks, upgraded appliance options, and your choice of tile, luxury vinyl plank, or engineered hardwood floors. Walk-in showers and spacious closets complete each home. Personalize your home with one of the 3 interior designer curated packages. Choose modern classic for a timeless, elegant look, soothe organic for bohemian, nature-inspired elements, or dramatic luxe for a bolder, more dramatic aesthetic. The condo fees are very affordable, estimated at $285 per month. Homes include on-street parking, private balconies for second-floor residences, patios for first-floor homes, and additional storage closets. There are no private garages or a community pool or clubhouse, which keeps your monthly fees low while you enjoy all that downtown Lake Mary has to offer, just minutes from your doorstep. Crystal Lake condos are selling quickly. Our home buying process is as easy as 1, 2, 3. If you are getting a mortgage for your purchase, the first step is to complete a mortgage pre-approval application. You can use our preferred lender or any lender you choose. Next, you will pick your unit and complete the sales purchase agreement. The third step will be to wire your 5% escrow deposit to the title agent at Steiner & Steiner PA to secure your new home. If you select a design upgrade, you will wire a non-refundable design fee to the title agent within 30 days. Pre-sales are conducted exclusively with the sales center broker, Laura Dis at Q Boutique Specialty Realty, located at 122 West Crystal Lake Avenue. Schedule online at crystalllakecondos.com or call or text the AI receptionist at 407-863-7965 to schedule your sales appointment. We welcome